What's up? So here is a time-lapse of my cat girl illustration. I used quite a bit of my own brushes as well as some that you can get online for free, like Hazel Long's smudge brushes. She has a really good tutorial on how to use those, and it came in handy with creating this like really nice smooth painterly look. In addition to some other brushes that I kind of show in some of my other videos there. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this time lapse. Took a minute to get everything how I wanted it to, and this thing that started off as a giant meatball ended up turning into a tail, which I thought was kind of funny. But anyway, be sure to like, subscribe, check out my free brushes on my website, goldcoastaudio.com, and I will talk to you all later. Alright.